I'm Micheline Bravey. I'm the curriculum leader for International Introduction to the Design Media Screen or Pre-Degree Studies here at UAL. The preparatory course and diagnostic period will allow you to experiment with different design media screen pathways. So you'll be engaged in workshops and studio-based learning, get knowledge to progress into your preferred pathway, which will be in design media or screen. On the successful completion of this course, you will get design media screen pathway offers in London College of Communication, and this will allow you to progress on any of your specialist pathway that you've chosen.
This course can help you to explore what kind of things you want to study.
I think my favorite part was getting to know different people from various countries, as well as creative workshops that helped me build my portfolio.
We're looking forward to welcome you and support you and guide you through your creative journey, so feel free to come and join us.